Attention please. All Kmart shoppers. We're going to get ready to do the raffle. And this would be a perfect picture moment. So I would like people, if you would please, to gather in front of the cash register area, facing the door. So please gather in front of the cash register area and
Oh, like July, huh? I get another. What is your flavor?
I know we're not all going to sit in one picture, but please face this way. Smile. Happy birthday, Cinnamon! Happy birthday. Okay, cheese!
Put that Christy in there with cinnamon.
Oh, Christy.
Here's Cinnamon. Cinnamon's right here.
She's hiding from Grandma's speaker.
Come here. I know, puppy. I know.
Please step, everybody except for the front line, please step forward a little more.
Everybody in the back, come forward a little bit. Everyone in the front, stay where you're at. Did everyone get in the drawing?
Last chance, everybody's in the basket. And how about you? We'll let you pick the name. So, reach in here and throw it up. Throw it real good. Don't look. Reach in there, grab one. Christina Luna. I'm sorry, we don't have to pose for a picture. Oh, okay.
Look, little
Guy,
dog.
look. Guy, look.
Yeah.
Did you cut that other tape?
Yeah. And there's still leftover pizza and still some doggy cake. Please have some now.